Hey y'all, I just wanted to take a moment to show you exactly what the Dynamic Learning Workshop is all about. The Dynamic Learning Workshop is actually the companion course to my book that came out in April of 2018. So, Shake Up Learning, Practical Ideas to Move Learning from Static to Dynamic. And of course, you can pick up a copy on Amazon. But, one of the big ideas in the book is this concept of dynamic learning and doing things differently and making things go beyond what was previously possible. So when I wrote a book, I had to find a way to make it more dynamic. And so the book contains lots of resources and a complete companion website as well. But I really wanted to bring all of the learning to life through an online course. So this is a self-paced course. You can work through it at your own time, your own pace, and really dig deeper into the concepts that are presented in the book. So if you haven't been in one of my teachable courses yet, this is what it looks like when you're logged in and you're looking at the curriculum, and you can see it just sort of directs you into the next lecture, or if you want to skip around, you can skip around. So I'm just going to go ahead and click start. And so I just have an introduction video here that will show you exactly how to use the system and walk you through it. You'll also notice there are additional resources and links that will be added to every lesson. So over here on the left, we still have a shortcut to jump into each lesson. And the book itself is divided into 3 parts: the why, the what, and the how. And so you can kind of guide yourself through that. Now, of course, you can see how long the videos are. So this is a completely video-based course. So if you have a hard time just sticking with text, you need a little bit more, this is a great way to bring all of that to life. Of course, I'm also offering some bulk discounts. So if you want to use this as a book study with your team, with your department, with your campus, this is a great way to do that. So, I'm just going to jump on down to our chapter 14 and 15 here just to show you another example. So we have the videos here. I have made all of the videos downloadable. So once you are in the course, if you have issues with internet connection or you just want to keep them on the go, you have the option to do that and to carry these in your pocket so you don't have to worry about buffering and all of that kind of thing. And most of these videos are also given to you in a PDF format. So I'm giving you all of my slides with all of the information, all of the images, all of the questions. Each lesson also includes some suggested activities. So this book is all about action. I want you to do something with the things that you're learning, and for it to not just to be another book on your bookshelf or sit on the corner of your desk throughout the school year. I want you to go further, to go deeper. And so you'll see I have also included all of those additional resources and links and videos in each lesson. This is jam-packed with information for you. Now, one other quick thing I want to point out, you'll see there is a final quiz. Don't worry, it is not difficult. But you take this quiz to get credit, and I will send you a certificate of completion with 6 hours of professional development credit. Now, it's not affiliated with anything special. Every state's a little bit different on your requirements. So, but that is part of what is included here. So I just wanted to give you a quick overview so that you see what this entire workshop is all about. And it truly is a workshop if you work it. Self-paced course, that's up to you. And, really dig deep and make some changes and transform your classroom this year.